everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered how apps can recognize objects in photos, read text from images or detect faces automatically, the answer is AI. And today I am showing you how to build that yourself. I am talking about the Google Cloud Vision API, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to integrate it into your own projects. So let's go deep into it. I am explaining it step by step briefly. Firstly, you have to know that what is Google Cloud, and then come towards API keys and what about Vision APIs. So what exactly is the Google Cloud Vision API is? Think of it as a superhuman set of eyes for your code. It's a machine learning service by Google that can analyze images and extract meaningful information from them. We are talking about identifying what's in a photo. A dog, a car, a pizza, you name it. Reading text directly from images, like scanning a document for a receipt. Spotting faces, emotions, and facial landmarks. Recognizing and categorizing words in an image with high accuracy like logo detection, landmark recognition, and even inappropriate content filtering. The coolest part is you don't need to train any models yourself. Google's already done that by lifting for you. Should you care? You might be thinking, okay, but why should I care? Well, imagine these real-world scenarios. You could auto-tag images as users upload them. Running an e-commerce business, Vision API can help moderate user-generated content or organize product images automatically. Need to digitize old documents? OCR functionality can extract text from scans in seconds. Building accessibility features describe images for visually impaired users automatically. This is production-grade AI that works right out of the box. No PhD required. No training data needed. You just send an image and boom, you get intelligent results back. Alright. Let's actually get our hands dirty. Here's what you need to do. I have listed all of this for you. You have to build a setup. Google Cloud. First, head over to console.google.com and create a new project. It's literally just a few clicks away. Search for Cloud Vision API and enable it. Super straightforward. You will need a service account. This is basically your authentication. Download the JSON file and keep it safe. This is how your code proves it's authorized to use the API. Install the client library depending on your language. For example, for Python, pip install Google Cloud Vision. For JSON, npm install. And for Java, Go or other languages, check the docs, which is given in the description. Set up the authentication. Point your code to that JSON key file you need to download. Your application will use it to authenticate with Google's servers. You are ready to make API calls. Okay, now for the fun part, let me show you actual code. Don't worry, it's not complicated. Boom, in milliseconds, the API identified what's in the image. And if you want more details like detecting faces, reading text, or finding landmarks, you just swipe out the function called face detection, text detection, landmark detection. All equally simple. You can also do multiple analysis in one API call to be efficient with your quota. Now, let's talk about money. The Vision API isn't free, but it's really affordable. After that, object and label detection is also included in it. About $0.60 per 1000 requests. Text detection include $1.50 per 1000 requests. Face detection include $0.60 per 1000 requests. So unless you are processing millions of images, you are probably spending pocket change. There are some rate limits too, starting around 1800 requests per minute, but you can request higher limits if needed. For most projects, this is more than enough. Check the pricing page on Google Cloud Console to see the exact costs, and don't forget you get that free monthly quota to experiment with them. Before we wrap up, here are some awesome projects you could build with this content moderation tool. Flag inappropriate images automatically. Smart photo gallery. Photo collection. Document scanner app. Extract text from photos of documents including business cards, etc. Accessibility tool. Generate descriptions for images on websites. Extract features from properly photos. Food delivery app feature. Recognize dishes and ingredients. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. If you need to understand what's in an image, VN API is your answer. Alright, that's the Google Cloud VN API. You know now what it does, how to set it up, and how to use it. If you build something cool with this, I do love to see it. Drop a link in the comments, and if this video helped you, please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.